Merrill Edge versus Moomoo. What's better? So, the rating for both of them are the same, while Moomoo wins by 13k in popularity. They're both not available in Pakistan, and the key differences are that the customer service of Moomoo is perfect, not perfect but amazing, while customer service of Merrill Edge can improve. The research score for Moomoo still wins, and the fee score also wins. And both are for beginners, and both are for people that want to invest their equity. So the fees are when you basically invest a stock or take it out are US stock index options. Moomoo has a cheaper version. And yeah, in my opinion, you can see that Moomoo is a lot better in a straight comparison because of the options it has to offer and the low uh, cut it takes out of your payments. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.